How to sign into Alibaba account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Alibaba app on your device and now tap on My Alibaba option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, tap on Sign In/Sign Up option. Here you have the option to sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with email. If you had used your email while signing up to your account, then you want to tap on continue with email. Then enter your email address here and then tap on the next option. Then you will have to enter your password. And once you have entered it, tap on the sign in option. You can also tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. Or if you had used your Google account while signing up to your account, simply tap on Google. Then you want to select your Google account, enter your Gmail password if you have to, and once you do that, you will be signed into your Alibaba account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.